This question belongs to engineering mathematics subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2023. So the question states, suppose L equals to PQRST is a lattice represented by the following Hasse diagram. So here a Hasse diagram has been given. For any xy belongs to L, not necessarily distinct, x join y and x meet y are the join and meet operations of x and y respectively. So this represents join operation. These are standard notations and this represent meet operations. What is join? Join is least upper bound and meet is greatest lower bound. Let PR be the probability that an element, let L cube equals to x comma y comma z such that x y z belongs to L with a set of all ordered triplets of the elements of L. So we have triplets represented by x comma y comma z. Let PR be the probability that an element x comma y comma z belonging to L to the power 3 chosen equiprobably satisfies this. Then this is the probability. If it satisfies, then PR is the probability. Now we need to tell what is the value of PR. Okay. See, what is L cube? L cube is nothing but its triplets. So L cube is triplets of 3, which means triplets with a size 3. And here we have 5 elements P, Q, R and T. Now suppose if we assume that there is repetition possible, as there is nothing written about non-repetition, then repetition is possible. The number of ways to select triplets out of 5 items is 5 into 5 into 5. So number of elements in L cube is, cardinality of L cube is 5 into 5 into 5, which is 125, which is the number of ways we can choose 3 elements from 5 elements with a repetition being allowed. Okay. Now assume that we take x equals to t. Now then the given condition of L is satisfied for any y and z. Why and how? Let me tell you. If we have x and t, then what is the least upper bound? Then the least upper bound and greatest lower bound. You can see if you take any of those values, then it will satisfy for any yz, be any yz. So number of ways of selecting y and z will be 5 into 5 with repetition allowed 25 ways. So we got 25 options with x and t and y and z being any of these 5 values. So 25 we got, so answer options 25 plus. Now if we have x as r, if we have x as r, y and p, y as p and z as p, then the condition is satisfied. Let me show you how. If we have r join y is p and p, it should be equals to r or p meet r or p. See, least of meet of two things p and p will be p, so we will have r or p. X and with greatest lower bound with x will be x, so we get r or p. So these are same, so we got one more answer. So total we got 26. Okay, so with x as t we got 25 as with any yz, and with x and as r, y as p and z as p we got one more options. So it should be PR should be at least 26 by 125. Total options are 125 and we got 26. So it is definitely greater than 1 by 5, as 1 by 5 is 25 by 125. So it's definitely greater than 1 by 5. Okay. So our PR is definitely greater than 1 by 5. Okay. So PR is 0 is false. This is also false. Now we have to see whether PR is in the range of 1 by 5 to 1 or PR is 1. So to do this we need to find a condition in which this is not satisfied. Okay, so for this assume that we have x as q, y as r and z as s. Now let us see, we have x as q, q join r meet s. What is the value of this? R meet s, r and s lower bound will be p. So Q or P, least upper bound of Q or P will be, it will be T. So we got T. Now let us see the RHS. What is RHS? RHS will be X or Y and X or Z. So what is X or Y? X or Y is Q or R and R or S. So what is the least upper bound of Q and R? It's T. T. And what is least upper bound of R and S? It's T. What is T and T? It's T. Okay. So we can see, but what is this? Let us do. This is T and it's got T. Let us do it one more time. Q or R and S. Okay. What is its value? What is R and S? Means meet of R and S. So meet of R and S will be P. Yeah. I got this. I have done this wrong. R and S of lower bound. Greatest lower bound. It will be P. So Q or P. Least upper bound of Q and P will be it will be Q. So it's Q and it's T. So they are not equal. So we got that it won't be equal to 1. So the correct answer is option D. It will be in the range of 1 by 5 to 1. And even if it is equal to over here, even then it will come in this range as we got more than 1 by 5. So answer is option D.